What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my studio. I'm Joseph Finchum, you are you, and today we're going to be looking at the Lachri Artist Group monthly challenges for February and March. There was only one entry for February, so Kim B, you get the grand prize, although there's no prizes. So let's just jump into it and let's see what we got. So that was kind of a challenge, and I understand, so I'm not surprised not many people did an entry for that challenge. The February challenge, which was creating a heart out of objects. But let's move on to the March entries, which was to create something that isn't in the style of like a realism or something, more abstract, surreal, that kind of a thing, and we got some really nice entries, so let's take a look at them. As always, I was really impressed by the artwork you guys submitted. It really is a challenge to make these challenges, and I appreciate it very much when people take part in it. It's just a little something that I do to try and give to the community that Lisa and everyone else has built. It's my little thank you. Anyway, the challenges are tough, and I'm really glad when people do take the time to take part. It means a lot to me. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.